Change. The word I fear, rebel, and let it release hell, is where I'm headed if I don't get my head on straight, go down the right path, and learn not to hate, but to love and create faith, to paint my own picture and burn the memories I continue to let break me, waiting for this miracle to blow by like a message in the wind, to okay all the times that I have sinned, but I need to be still like a tree, bending but never breaking, withholding the pressure of the wind, taking it all in but never collapsing. Father, I pray, give me the strength to withstand my wind, my hurricane of life. You put me through to test my faith, but I'm having trouble sitting here trying to wait, wasting my time waiting for some miracle to change me, losing myself. I am losing. Talk is so cheap. Promises are so empty, worth nothing. Not even a penny for my thoughts. I'd be rich, but I'd rather be wealthy with myself. Lord, I keep asking for help, but who am I to complain? Say I can't withhold the pain? I'm done playing this game, dancing around in circles. I need to jump into this circle of life and pick myself up off the ground and stop waiting around. I need to keep myself grounded and push myself hard, and I know to do what I know is right. Not to left, but straight, twists and turns. Scars, they burn inside of me, but I can't let the flame suffocate greatness, waiting to escape. I'm asking and searching for this miracle, a great change, but it all comes down to it. It is reality, and you are letting me see the miracle is in me.